In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Pay to Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe account and landing on the main dashboard. This central view gives you an overview of your account, but to add a payment option, we're going to move into the settings area. If you don't see everything right away, don't worry. Stripe's interface keeps the most important controls in the menu. From the dashboard, open the menu in the top left corner and select Settings. Depending on how your account is organized, you may click straight to Payment Methods, or navigate via Product Settings and then Payment Methods. The goal is to reach the section where Stripe manages the different ways customers can pay. Once you're in Payment Methods, scan for a subsection labeled Wallets. Wallets are the group that includes Apple Pay, Google Pay, and similar browser or device-based payment options. Finding this section lets you enable or disable wallet-based payments individually, and it's where Google Pay lives. When you see Google Pay listed, toggle it on. Some interfaces present a simple switch. Others show an arrow to open a more detailed panel where you can enable the option. Turning Google Pay on is usually immediate, but it's important you hit any save or confirm prompts that appear so your change is recorded. Enabling Google Pay makes the payment option available to customers using supported browsers and devices, and can help speed up checkout and reduce abandoned carts. After enabling Google Pay, you'll be asked to review and accept the Google Pay API Terms of Service. Read these terms carefully, since they cover data sharing and how the wallet integrates with your payment flows. Accepting the terms is a required step for activation. And sometimes Stripe may prompt you to confirm business details or contact information first, so make sure your account information is up to date. If you use a form or checkout integration, such as Paperform, there may be an extra configuration inside that product. In those cases, open the Form Builder's Configure area, go to Payments, and toggle on Use Google Pay when supported. Select your country if prompted, because Google Pay availability and behavior can vary by region. Finally, it's a good idea to test a checkout after enabling Google Pay to confirm everything displays and processes as expected. Use test mode or a small live transaction on a supported device to verify the experience. That's it. Once enabled and accepted, Google Pay will be available to eligible customers in your Stripe-powered checkout.